Hey signers, are you ready to learn some family signs? Well, in this video, you will learn family signs, along with some phrases you can start using. Yes, we do realize we already made a video on family signs, but that video was missing several signs. So we decided to make Family Signs 2.0. Gather up your family and let's learn how to sign family signs. Here's a quick tip. In this video, you will notice masculine signs are being signed up at the top of the face, where feminine signs are signed at the bottom. This will make it easy to differentiate when you are signing and practicing these signs. Family. Family. It's the letter F's in a group of people. Family. Small. Small. And when you do this sign, you can do the mouth morpheme for small. Small. Medium or average. Your fingers are squeezed together with your non-dominant hand staying still and your dominant moving forward to the side of the non-dominant hand. And when you do this, your mouth is going to go, showing something as medium or average. Medium or average. Large. Large. You have these bent L-shaped hands and bringing them out. And when you sign something large, you can also say cha, meaning it's really big. Large. Mother. Mother. It's the 5 hand on your chin. Mother. Girl. Girl. It's your thumb coming down the side of your chin, referencing to the string on the girl's bonnets. Girl. Wife. Wife. Because it's the woman that you're married to. Wife. Grandmother. Grandmother. It's the sign mother, but it bounces out. Grandmother. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. You finger spell the word grand and then the sign daughter, a girl to a baby. Granddaughter. Aunt. Aunt. It's the letter A twisting right at your chin. Aunt. Daughter. Daughter. It's a flat B hand coming from your chin down to a baby. Daughter. Sister. Sister. You have L-shaped hands coming from your chin down to your non-dominant hand. Sister. Cousin who is a girl. A cousin who is a girl. You sign the sign cousin, but do it at the lower part of your face where the feminine signs are. Cousin who is a girl. Niece. Niece. You're doing an N and shaking it at the bottom of your face. Niece. Did you know that those within the deaf community who are deaf and hard of hearing have a unique close bond with each other? They feel like family because they share the same experiences and language. Father. Father. It's the 5 hand up at the top of the head where the masculine part is. Father. Boy. Boy. This is showing a boy's baseball cap. Boy. Husband. Husband. It's the man that you're married to. Husband. Grandfather. Grandfather. It's like the sign father, but it bounces out. Grandfather. Grandson. Grandson. You finger spell grand and then son together. Grandson. Uncle. Uncle. It's the letter U twisting back and forth up at the top of the head. Uncle. Son. Son. It's a flat B hand from the top of your forehead coming down to a baby. Son. Brother. brother. You have L-shaped hands coming from your forehead down to your non-dominant hand. Brother. A cousin who is a boy cousin. You have the C-shaped hand twisting at the side of your face at the top part where the masculine signs are. Boy cousin. Nephew. Nephew. It's the letter N right here at the top of your head. Nephew. Baby. Baby. You're just rocking the baby. Baby. Relative. Relative. You have our hands, but making the motion of friends because relatives should be your friends. Relative. Cousin. Cousin. This is a C-shaped hand moving back and forth in the neutral part of your face. If you want to talk about a male cousin, it would be up here, or female cousin down here. But just in general, cousin. Engaged or engagement. It's the non-dominant hand twisted with an E on top, referencing to the ring. Engaged or engagement. Fiancé. Fiancé. You're using your ring hand with your other hand as the F on top of the ring. Fiancé. Married. Married. You're holding hands when you're married. Married. Divorced. Divorced. It's letter D hands going in separate directions. Divorced. In-law. In-law. Your non-dominant hand is flat with your dominant hand as an L going down the hand. In-law. Did you know that over 90% of deaf children are born to hearing parents? This is why it's so important for parents of deaf and hard of hearing children to start learning sign language when they find out that their child is deaf. This is giving the child a language at the very beginning. Step. Step. This sign is like second and can be incorporated with any of the family signs. Stepfather, stepsister, step. Half. Half. This is the fraction 1/2. This can be signed with family members. Half brother, half sister. Half. Parents. Parents. You can sign mom, dad, dad, mom, but together it's parents. Parents. Child. Child. You're patting the child on their head. Child. Children. Children. It's like you're patting the heads of all the children. Children. Grandchildren. Grandchildren. You're going to finger spell grand and sign children. Grandchildren. Foster. Foster. The index finger is brushing up against your nose. Now this also can be the sign for fake. It's not intended to be rude, it's just how the sign has turned out to be. Foster. Adopt. Adopt. Both hands look like they're picking up something. Adopt. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. It's the sign boy and friend put together. Boyfriend. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. The sign girl and friend together. Girlfriend. Partner. Partner. It's the sign to share along with the sign person. This is a share person, a partner. Roommate. Roommate. You have 5 shaped hands that are bent in, bringing them in together. Roommate. Friend. Friend. Think of you and your friend giving each other a hug. Friend. Best friend. Best friend. Think of you and your best friend and how you are inseparable, that you can't even be on a separate hand. Best friend. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Yes, this is my husband. Yes, he My husband. Are these your children? They? Your children? I am the middle of 3 children. My family, 3 children. Me. Yes, we are planning to adopt. Yes, 2 of us adopt Will. What is your son's name? Your son name what? Now go and practice with your family. We love hearing how families are learning together. We have several families who are learning ASL through our Accelerated program. We even have an exclusive discount for parents of deaf and hard of hearing children. Check out the info in the description. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.